person. Smile. Oh, be careful. Wave your hand. Wave, 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 wave. I like it over here. I should have brought my jacket. Let's stay at the back. Move, move, anak. Hi guys, commute kami. Commute ang person at magta-tricycle kami kasi mas masaya. Tricycle counter over there. Can I do the tricycle? Oh. Okay, I'll just pay. Hey! Ito tayo. Sakay na. Okay ka lang dyan? Mawa ka ha? Oh, smile. First step, you need to register. Okay, and then after that, I hear pala, priority. It's how much? It's 150. And then another 150. And then for the boat, it's 50 pesos. Okay. So yeah. Wala naman katao-tao eh. Ayun lang. Mawa ka. Hey. Anywhere? Thank you. Anywhere daw. Hindi binalik yung ticket eh. Oh my God. Teka. Anak, walang ganun. Hindi ko malang na-picturean yung ticket. Kinuha ni Kuya. Yung ticket, kinuha ni Kuya eh. O baka i-isa rin yung super. Super lalim no? Ama. You know what guys, it's so fun to commute, you know. Ang saya-saya. Just wait. We're going to canyons. And we're our hotel, you know. It's beside the mall and everything. So we're here na, and we're beside the golf area, you know. Because this place is, you know, for rich people daw. Char. Ayan, oh, there's golf over there. So yun. So across lang, and that's the Canyon Hotel. Arte-arte. And we're here. Sean, say hi. Hello. Sean. What now? Hey! Nakarating na kami ng ano. Nandito kami sa D-Mall, guys. So, merong toys dito sa Bora. Therefore, na-stuck na yung dalawa dito. Oh, diba? Hey guys, we're here na.
I love this one.
Oh, really? Do you like our room?
Me, I need to put my slippers because I can't.
Ayan, so sabi niya, I love this place so much. Ayan na siya. may pa I love this place so much na siya. Ayan. Diba?
This is not my bed.
Hi! Para ba't nauna ka? And here guys, ayan. Diba? Okay, look. There's a veranda there, over there.
Over here.
Sinara nila. Hala! Ay, sabi ko nga nakalak. Oh, look at the view. See, it's so peaceful here, guys. I'm telling you. Sobrang peaceful dito. Malayo sa beach, malayo sa ingay. Kung gusto mo lang talagang mag-unwind, dito kayo. As in, dito kayo. Diba? There. Ano bang hotel yan? And then paakyat daw, mas maganda daw dyan. And it's other side, may beach din dyan. Pero I don't know. So, pasok tayo. Ayan. Pasok tayo. So, ayan silang dalawa. Mukhang enjoy naman sila. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Sean? No. Ano? Ah, no pala ha. Nagustuhan nyo ba yung room? Ah, ganon. Dahil dyan, dun kayo sa labas matutulog, akin lahat yung room na yun. So, labas kami guys for dinner.
Where's the open?
Dun kami. So, parati na sila may video. So, ako naman. Sorry lang. Ang gulo ng hair ko. Cook like this yarn. Time check, it's 8 something. It's 8:35. Lord, Lord. Feeling ko kami naman ako dito, guys. Sa buong 5th floor.
Let's go.
Ayan guys, super gutom ang person. And we're back. Yay! Kami nag-chill lang kami dito. Ako nagkakape.
There, wait,